If you're over 25, consider this your wake-up call. Hindi ka na bumabata. Lahat ng habits mo ngayon, yung puyat, stress, walang exercise, yan ang magde-define ng health mo 10 or 20 years from now. Ignore this and you're setting yourself up for problems like low energy, joint pain, hypertension, diabetes, lahat ng ayaw natin lahat. Hindi to para takutin ka but just to serve as a reminder. Kasi most people nagkakaroon lang ng realization after something bad happens. Like ma-hospitalize or mag-start ng makaramdam ng something. And by then, of course, mahirap nang bumawi. But the good news is you still have time. You can still lose fat, build muscle, and feel confident in your own skin. Ang kailangan, syempre, is to build good habits today. Magbuhat at least 3 times a week, kumain na maayos, matulog na maayos, and make sure you prioritize movement throughout the day. Think about it this way, hindi lang health mo yung nakasalalay dito. It's also for your family. Kung sakitin ka, how will you perform at your best sa work and how will you provide the best for your family? Paakyat yung career mo and yung negosyo mo pero yung katawan mo pabagsak. And here's one more thing that most people forget. Neglecting your health now is more expensive in the long run. Yung hospital bills, gamutan, missed opportunities, mas mabigat lahat yon kesa sa effort ng pag-aalaga ng katawan mo ngayon. So stop saying, I'll start later kasi baka dumating yung araw na wala nang later. Kasi at the end of the day, hindi lang naman ikaw ang may kinabang sa good health mo. It's your family and your loved ones.